Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk about this common problem that I have noticed within the beginner self-taught programmers. This problem, if not properly tackled, will get you frustrated and you might end up not pursuing your dream of becoming a software developer. So in today's video, I want to talk about this problem and how I was able to overcome this problem, because I have come to realize that virtually all programmers at the beginner stage face this problem. It's a common problem with new programmers, especially programmers without mentors. So let's dive in. First, let me take you back to my own story back in late 2017 when I started learning how to code. At that early stage of my career, I was very much overwhelmed and virtually tried to learn pretty much everything I saw and came across about programming. Because I was trying to learn pretty much everything I saw out there, I became lost every time I tried and I could not focus. I struggled every time because I was trying to learn all the programming language and all the framework at the same time. This lack of focus held me back from progressing for a very long time. And so, for several months, I was learning different programming language and different frameworks, from HTML to CSS, from CSS to JavaScript to Python and to all their frameworks. And somewhere along the line, I became lost and very frustrated, and I started considering quitting. Something in me started telling me that programming is not for me, that I cannot become a good programmer because there are lots of frameworks and lots of programming language to learn. The truth is that there are so many programming languages and so many frameworks out there, and to be totally sincere, there is no way one can be able to learn all these frameworks and all this programming language. There is no single programmer out there that knows all of them. So at that early stage of my career, I thought as a programmer, I should know as many frameworks and as many programming languages as possible. So I tried spending all my time learning different frameworks and different programming languages. Somewhere along the line, I became lost. And I started feeling like my dream of becoming a software developer is being aborted because there are too many frameworks and too many programming languages to learn. And there is no way on earth I can be able to learn all these things. So I started feeling frustrated. So after several months of no progress, I started asking other self-taught programmers that are ahead of me how they were able to overcome this. And then after asking about 5 to 10 programmers, I then discovered that virtually all programmers at the beginner stage were lost. But somewhere along the line, they found their path. And when they found their path, that was when everything clicked and things started changing. You see, software engineering is like a field. And to be able to grow or progress in this industry, you need to find your own path. The moment I realized this, I stopped looking at the best programming language or the hottest new framework that is going to come out next month. Instead, I started spending my time checking out all the tracks in the software industry to find the one that best suits me. I looked at web development, Android development, iOS development, blockchains, machine learning, artificial intelligence, IoTs, and other fields. And finally, I chose web development. And when I did, that was when I started seeing progress in my career. Now, because I have chosen a track, I no longer need to learn all the frameworks or all the programming languages out there. Since I chose web development, I just have to look out for the programming languages and the frameworks that are good for web development. And for you, currently feeling lost and feeling very frustrated because you've been trying to learn all the programming languages and all the frameworks at the same time, it's totally normal because, like I said, virtually all programmers at the beginner stage face this problem. But to see real progress in your career, you just have to stop and try to figure out your own path and focus on that very path and learn everything that concerns that very track instead of learning every other programming language and learning programming languages that you will not use. The truth is, when you choose your own path or your own track, you will then realize that you just need to learn a lot less than you initially thought when you started to become a good programmer. But now that you're starting, if you don't find your track now and go all in, and you continue learning all the programming languages and frameworks that you think is going to be the next big thing, somewhere along the line, probably after like 1 year, you will then realize that you're still lost. Because, like I said, There is no single programmer out there that knows all the programming language or all the frameworks. So the earlier you find your track and go all in now, the better for you. I have come to realize that this problem is common within the beginner self-taught programmers because they do not have a mentor or a guardian. If you happen to learn to code following a bootcamp, you might not face this problem because at the bootcamp, they have a well-structured learning path for you that has been designed by some experienced developers. But if you're a beginner self-taught developer, instead of looking for the next big framework to learn or the next programming language to learn, I advise you to sit down and look at all the tracks and all the paths in the software engineering industry and choose the path that best suits you. And if you don't choose the path that best suits you now and go all in, somewhere along the line, you will start getting frustrated and you start considering quitting. And your dream of becoming a software developer, you will gradually abort it. So, if you're lost now, it's totally normal. I was lost, and so as many of the programmers that are good out there that you know, they were once lost at the beginning. So the solution to being lost is to find your path now that it is still early and go all in. I will end with this. Like they say in Wakanda, focus is like a jam. If you spread it, you will never test it. Thank you very much and see you next time. Wait, if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscription button down below and hit the notification bell so that if I put out new video again, you will get notified. And if you have anything to say, please use comment box. Thank you very much.